All right, thank you very much, Megan. Well, just as adults get older, older pets need a little help too sometimes. And Dr. Cindy Grant is with the Animal Rehabilitation and Fitness Clinic Incorporated, and she joins us along with our regular guest, Dr. Jerome Williams from the Red Mountain Animal Clinic. Hey guys, great to see you.
Good morning.
Hi. So we know Jillian, but we have your
Yeah, we have one hiding, a little shy.
your little fella's hiding there from us.
He's hiding under the desk.
He's been a little shy this morning. Don't upset. It's okay. Oh,
We'll get him out in a minute.
It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. He's a little scared. Okay, so what we're talking about though is kind of helping pets who maybe need some rehabilitation. We don't think about it that way, right?
I see a lot of older pets in my practice, or pets who have been injured, and they commonly have trouble getting around on slippery surfaces. And in this day and age, most of us have hardwood or tile floors, at least in part of our house. Or they have trouble getting in and out of the car, or they're used to getting on the sofa and they just can't anymore. And of course, exercise is important, a good diet and regular vet checks are important, but there are some things on the market that a lot of people don't know about that are simple aids that can really help your pet get around a lot easier. One of them is a spray. There are several on the market. This is one I happen to use in my clinic a lot called Show Foot Spray, and it's available online. It's a natural rosin, and you can just spray it on their pads. I'm going to just spray one on hers.
So what does it do?
It makes a little tacky surface on their paws so that they get grip on the floor. So
and it doesn't do anything to your floors?
No. It does not.
That's
and
awesome.
You just reapply it as needed. If you need to take it off earlier, a little bit of mink oil or alcohol will take it off. If they lick it, it's not toxic.
Okay. How often again would you apply it?
I'm kind of lazy. I apply it maybe once a day on my guys, and I have cement floors. You can apply it more often. It was originally made by show people who didn't want their dogs to slip in the show ring when they were in front of the judge.
Well, our buddy, our golden retriever, has through the house on our hardwoods before, so that's pretty neat.
In addition to that, a simple thing too is to look at, especially at an older dog. Jill's got nice pads, but a lot of times they will get extra hair growing under their pads. So just shaving that hair, even with the pads, will give them better grip.
Does that hurt them when that hair goes in beneath there?
No.
Or is it just irritating? Okay.
No, but they become like
becomes
slippers,
a little slippery,
and they're just slipping all over the place.
Okay.
So that can really help as well.
All right.
Of course, there are a lot of stairs and ramps on the market for you to be able to train your pet to get on and off of a sofa easier. Take your time with that. Spend a few weeks to get them used to it. Don't think they're going to get it in one day.
But once they get used to it, I imagine
they're up
comfortable.
and down like crazy. And then the other thing, I'm going to drag this little guy out.
Well,
but especially for the bigger dogs, there's a harness called a Help 'em Up harness.
Well, you're going to try to help him out right there. He's just shy today.
He's 70 pounds.
Okay.
And I ordinarily can't do anything with this guy on my own.
But look at you pick him up like that.
Yeah, it's padded. These guys can wear them all day long. I take it off at night.
Okay.
It's got a back end that can come off by itself, a front end that can stay on without the back end. But
and it doesn't hurt them to lift them that way.
No, it's completely padded, it's machine washable, it's neoprene. And so with this guy, I can just use my knees and I can get him up.
So this is when your dog has gotten to a point that it can't get up on things itself. It needs some help.
Right. Getting in and out of the car, I can pick up his front end and prop it up and then pick up the back end really easily. If he had trouble going up and down the steps, I can just stand beside him and keep a hand on it to give him a little bit of a boost.
What a great idea. Dr. Williams, you have sat here and just watched this as I have.
Well, I mean,
so
I'm amazed
you're
by
here.
it.
I know.
It's awesome. And many of the older dogs have hip problems and back problems.
And it helps them.
It helps
this
with that,
is
but
ideal.
We're all about helping the owner too. We want to make sure that our owners, our pet guardians, are not throwing out their backs and knees and elbows when they're helping their dogs.
Some great advice. Dr. Cindy Grant, thank you. Dr. Williams, good to see you.
Okay.
All right, we'll be right back.